How to manage muted notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage muted notifications on Twitter fast and easy. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click settings and privacy, and then you need to find this one, privacy and safety, and then click mute and block, and then click this one, muted notifications. And now as you see, you can mute until you want, you don't follow, who don't follow you, or with a new account until you want. And that's how manage muted notifications on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.